Hey there, welcome back. When it comes to the signs of aging, things like age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, wouldn't it be nice if your skin could go from this to this? Of course it would. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing something brand new with you that I'm very excited to share. So keep on watching. All right, so let's jump in and talk about this. One of the things that stands in the way of getting really great, healthy looking skin is a buildup of old dead skin cells. Now, that's something I talk about all the time as a 38-year skincare expert. A deal of the advice I've given revolves around the term exfoliation. The problem with that is everybody's skin is a little bit different. Some people are more sensitive to products that do exfoliation. I really don't like harsh scrubs because they can rip and tear at the skin. It's very hard to judge how they're working when you're doing them. But what I do often recommend are skincare acids for that purpose. And here's why that's so important. Keeping that old dead skin cell turnover going means that your products are going to work much better. And in fact, what I'm going to talk to you about today not only is able to help you exfoliate your skin, but it also helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles and remove dark marks and age spots so your skin actually can go from this to this. Now, there are a few of these skin care acids that you probably heard of and you will find out there called AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids. Generally speaking, we're talking about glycolic acid, which can be very strong and is used in peel formulas, or lactic acid, which is also used in peel formulas, but is much more gentle on the skin and less likely to cause too much dryness and irritation. And in fact, lactic acid is so gentle that it is in a lot of products for the scalp and the skin, especially if it's acne prone. Because the last thing we want to do to sensitive or acne prone skin is irritate it. Well, I'm excited to introduce a new formula to you guys. This is in my skincare line called Premier Glow AHA Peeling Concentrate. Now, this formula is a very powerful formula that will work to help get your skin looking great and much, much younger. In fact, when you introduce these type of acids into your skincare routine, it is not unusual to see a 5 to 10 year difference in the look of your skin over a very short period of time. That's why there are a lot of very high-end products out there that work for this. They're expensive and sometimes they're too strong. So I want to make sure there was something that would work well, but be also very well tolerated by skin. And when it comes to the strength percentages in these type of products, there's like 5%, which is very, very mild, really doesn't do a whole lot to improve the skin's texture in a short amount of time, but over time in like body washes and shampoos, it can make a difference. Then there's the 10 to 15% range, which is definitely going to help speed up cellular turnover, get the old dead skin off, without you having dryness and peeling that you typically associate with deeper peels that are 30% or higher, usually applied in an office by people like me. So this formula is in the 15% range, gentle enough for sensitive skin, going to work extremely well. But here's what makes this exciting to me. It's back to my roots as a holistic esthetician, is the addition of a couple of botanical ingredients that can really make a difference in your overall skin's health and how it looks right away when you begin using this product. The first one on the list is white tea leaf extract. And what's really great about white tea leaf extract is it actually helps boost collagen production in the skin. It's also a powerful antioxidant, just like its cousin green tea, that helps to slow down oxidation and fight off free radicals. It also helps reduce inflammation and manage the melanin production in your skin, making it overall more even and brighter. It enhances the moisture levels in your skin and helps to protect your skin's barrier. And the level of antioxidants and vitamin C in white tea extract actually help protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. So of course, we wanted to make sure that was in this formula. And then for skin tightening and toning, we included sage leaf extract. Sage leaf extract goes to work on hyperpigmentation areas you already have, like dark marks and age spots, also promoting cellular renewal, making your skin look clearer and more vibrant. All of this in a water and glycerin base that includes sodium hyaluronate, which is the salt your skin uses to pull moisture in from the air and keeping your skin elastic, supple, and super hydrated. The best way to use this product, a few drops on the skin where you want to apply the treatment. That can be the face, that can be the back of the hands, arms, anywhere you're seeing sun damage and the signs of aging, this product will work exceptionally well. Then you just simply rinse your skin in the morning with warm water and you're good to go with whatever else you're doing in your skincare routine. Best results with this product seen within the first 2 weeks using it 1 to 2 times at night per week. Super excited to have this in my skincare routine now and have it be available to you guys. There's a link down below in the video description box where you can go read about the product in more detail and how it works. And of course, if you decide to use this product, please come back to the video. Let us all know how it's working. Now, I hope you found today's video helpful and informative. If you did, please like it, share it out. And for more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. And as always, thank you for showing up, supporting my work. I really do appreciate it. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.